Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I'm going to do a quick update on IOTA because I know many of you have been asking for this video. Now before I do that, make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and as always, turn the bell notification on so you can keep up to date on all my recent videos. Remember guys, nothing you see in this video is financial advice, so always make sure to do your own research. With that being said, let's get into the video. So guys, let's put things into perspective. I understand the market is currently pulling back, but let's look at the overall move for the year. So at an all-time high, it went to, let's just see, 359%. We're currently at 196%. So far today, the pullback is around, let's just zoom in and have a closer look at this. So we're seeing a pullback currently around 63%. Now, to be honest with you, without if we did not look at the overall movement of the trend, so the overall percentage growth since the start of the year, we could potentially say that is a huge pullback. But guys, over 300%, 60% pullback, not that bad, right? Especially when target one has already been smashed. We went through this already. The $1.33 area has been smashed. What is this? What's happening now? As overall, I know some of you would have seen that the overall cryptocurrency space is pulling back, right? So a lot of profit taking's going on. A lot of money is leaving the market. IOTA is not different. It's not a special case, right? The same thing is happening here. But what's good to see is that price is slowly starting to recover and bounce back. And as you can see, guys, these kind of pullbacks are fairly normal and okay. Our next target will be $2.30. Now, with that being said, if you're completely new and let's say you couldn't buy IOTA at the level that you wanted, or you wanted to buy more, or you truly believe in this project, then surely this is a good thing, right? Because it allows you to buy in at a cheaper price. So this is a dream come true for many. However, if you have no long-term plan for this particular cryptocurrency, you're just trying to get in and out, then of course this is going to be alarming for you because the market is pulled back 60%, right? So if you bought at $1.33, then of course you're going to be having a heart attack at the moment. But this is why I say it's always important to have a long-term plan and perspective for your trading, because if you are in this for the short term, then surely you would wait for a break and close above the $1.33 area and then look for your run up to the upside. You right? So remember, you're looking for the break, retest, and then continuation to the upside, right? You don't buy when price hits your target one resistance area, right? Logically does not make sense. But do not be alarmed. Pullbacks are completely normal. This is going to happen when price eventually hits $2.30. We could see price retrace back down to $1.33. When price gets to $4.05, we can see price crash all the way back down to $3 or $2.33. The whole point is to position ourselves and get in the real estate while it's still cheap. This should be a dream come true to many of you if you truly believe in this project. If you do not believe in this project, then this is a nightmare because your goal was to get in and out, and the market has a way of punishing those that have that kind of mentality. And that's why I say, guys, number one, always control your risk. Typically 1 to 3% risk per trade if you're trading this on margin. If you're trading this, even with margin or without margin, you should not be putting your life savings into the cryptocurrency market. And of course, that's subject to you. If you would love to do, if you'd like to do that, that's completely up to you. There's not financial advice. You can, of course, do what you want, but think about how that feels. Can you sleep at night? Probably not, because you're constantly checking up on the price. And as you know, these kind of investments or plays work best when left over time. So let's just have a look at Bitcoin. Now, of course, I'm not comparing Bitcoin to IOTA, but let's just look at the price graph, right? When Bitcoin was under as you can see, was under. See, we can't even see it, but at the end of the day, it was under $1 at one point, right? But let's just say at $23. There we go. So price is at $23. Look at where we are now, and that took over 10 years for that to happen. Right, this is not a get rich quick scheme, guys. You could see that price pretty much reigns consolidated, and then voila, we saw the price to the upside. Now, of course, these candlestick patterns would have looked exactly like this. When we get to a million, this is going to look like this, right? So we need to have the same, kind of mindset when looking at IOTA, guys. This project hasn't even been around 10 years, right? So let's just give it time to grow. Let's give it time to thrive, and let's see what the future has in store for this project. I personally am very bullish on this project, but nevertheless, we haven't got a whole portfolio on it. Like, we're not betting on IOTA to just succeed, right? That's not how you want to be investing, right? You have to keep your portfolio fairly balanced and safeguarded with different asset classes, etc. So with that being said, guys, when others are greedy, be fearful, and when others are fearful, be greedy. See you today.